Hello everyone. We are going to Nikki's house and we're going to interview her about her trip to Cebu.
Yeah.
Yes. And we're going down.
Yeah.
And their gate is red.
Yeah.
And Nikki!
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to watch the dogs. They're cute. Let's see Nikki.
Nabidyohan mo yan, pero...
Hindi ka wala nadinig.
Oh, sige na. Sige yung tuyo dito eh.
Nag-airplane mo? Mutik. Pila ka minutes?
Wala ba nag-aabas pa ako heart?
Pila ka minutes? Pila ka minutes? Pila ka minutes, Nick? 1 hour?
45.
Ilong kayo ba?
Mami ko sa demonig yan po. Ate, naway pa. Relative yan to.